Hey guys, so for today's video I thought it would be fun to try out some different curls. We're gonna try to do like the Hollywood glam vintage type look. I'll insert some pictures here of what exactly I'm talking about. I've never tried these type of curls, so it's gonna be a little experiment. Hopefully it turns out well. But yeah, I've got my makeup done to kind of look like vintage Hollywood glam, so hopefully it looks okay on camera. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So anytime before I use heat, I always go in with my Chi heat protectant. So the curling iron that I'm using today is this one. It's from Baby Bliss Pro. It's my 1-inch. You can use any 1-inch iron. You can use this. I use this all the time, so totally up to you, but you want to use a 1-inch or smaller. So you want to make sure that you have some clips nearby. I'm actually just going to use these bobby pins. These are the Meta Grip ones from Sally Beauty. I always use them. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is take about an inch wide section. Alright, so all that I'm gonna do is take about a 1-inch section. I'm gonna open up my curling iron. I'm gonna flat wrap it. So I'm just taking the hair and making sure it's flat when I wrap it around. And I'm just getting it all inside the barrel. And you want the ends to be in there too, so I'm just gonna kind of clamp it down and then roll it up and then hold it there for just a few seconds. Once you can feel that your hair is warm, then you just want to slide it out. So I'm just gonna slide it out like that. Just gonna kind of release it and then just wrap it around my finger, pull it off, and then bobby pin it. So it should look just like a little curl like this. And this is literally what we want to do all around our head. So I will show you one more time and then I'm going to speed it up. Okay, so again, take about a 1-inch section, open up your barrel, and then just flat wrap it all the way over the barrel, the best that you can. And then you want to take your ends and just kind of clamp it in. And you want to make sure your ends are curled too. So if it's not fitting in the curling iron, just hold it and then roll it up and then hold it for just a few seconds. And then you just want to take it off like this. So it's going to look something like this, very pretty. And I'm just going to wrap it around my finger. And then just bobby pin it to my head. Okay, so I went ahead and finished this side. This is what it looks like. Some of these curls are not, I don't know, not cooperating. I couldn't pin them to my head, so they're just kind of chilling. I'm gonna go ahead and spray some hairspray. And this is the Chi Natural Hold. So for my top section, I'm gonna take another 1-inch section, but I'm going to hold it up and then flat wrap it this way. So I'm just kind of holding the iron at the top of my head and then doing the same thing. So just kind of rolling it up and then holding the end and then just slide it off. Do the same thing. So I'm just going to take it back and then wrap it around my finger and then bobby pin it. Okay, so once I get everything curled, this is what it looks like. So I'm going to do some more hairspray just to make sure everything holds its place. So I'm gonna let this cool and then we'll be back. So everything is taken out and this is what it looks like. So now we want to grab a comb and we want to grab a brush. So you just want to take your brush, and yes, we are going to brush through all of this. So that's why you want to make sure you don't use too strong of a hairspray. And I'm just gonna take a clip and kind of clip some of these waves. Again, I'm just gonna hairspray it. And then do the same thing on this side, just brush through everything. And I'm just gonna kind of tease the top and tease the bottom. I'm gonna take these out. All right, so I am just going to tease right here. And I'm gonna tease up here. Okay, I'm not sure where I messed up, but it does not look like how I wanted it to. I don't know. What do you guys think? I feel like I could have easily gotten these curls with just wrapping my hair around and being done, and it would have been so much faster. It's pretty.
All that work for nothing.
Alright, so here is the final results, and this was a fail. It just doesn't look like the Hollywood glam waves I was wanting. This side looks pretty good, but this side just doesn't look like anything special. So I'm definitely gonna play around with more tutorials and try to master this, but this was the first attempt and that's okay. Sometimes hairstyles don't always work out the first time, and that's why you practice, you get better, you learn, and you conquer it again. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and let me know if you have any helpful tips in the comments below, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.